Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix this issue of having a black screen on screen recording. As you can see here, we try to do a screen recording here and the screen is all black. We're not able to record anything. Now, this could be for a multiple reason and you might encounter this, and this seems to be a software issue, and there's a couple ways to go about fixing this, which we'll share in this video. So first thing first, you want to make sure that when you do recording is that you have enough space on your phone, which again could sometimes be very limited. So you're going to go into settings and then go to general, and then you'll see this option for iPhone storage here. You're going to wait and take a look at how much storage you have available. As you can see here, we're using only 12 gig out of 128 gig, which is good. Now, let's say you were using up pretty much all of your storage. You can go ahead and see what's using it and try to delete some of that as much as possible to make room on your phone so that screen recording doesn't become black. So that's going to be the first thing you want to check. The next thing you want to do is actually do a force restart. Force restart is pretty straight and simple forward. It won't delete anything at all. None of your photo, videos, or even settings will be deleted. It's just a way to restart your phone and give the fresh restart of the software. And to do that, on a new iPhone 13 Pro that we're going to do, and this will work on iPhone 8 and above it, you're going to press and release the volume up and then volume down, and then hold this side button and not do anything. So in real time, we're going to do volume up, volume down, and then hold this side button. As you can see, it will ask us to power it down, but we won't power it down. We're just going to keep on holding that side button. If you get the Siri pop up, that means you didn't quickly press the volume up and down button. So we're going to keep on holding it and let go when the Apple logo comes on. Again, press and release the volume up and then volume down really quick, and then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo reappear without turning it off yourself. It will automatically turn off and do a force restart. And again, most of the time when something is a software issue related, this force restart is your go-to solution. Now, let's say you're still having an issue with the screen recording being black after you do the recording. The next thing you want to go ahead and check out is your settings. And this time in the settings, we're going to simply go and take a look at screen time if you have screen time set up. So in settings, you'll see the screen time feature. Again, we haven't set it up here, but let's say if it was set this up. So we'll show you just a second how it will look like. What you're going to look at is this in the screen time here. You're going to go down where it says content and privacy restriction. You want to click on that. And if this is turned on by any chance, you want to go ahead and look at this setting, which is going to be around the ability to basically allow your screen recording to happen. So you'll see here, all of these are simply saying that it's possible, they're being allowed, and all the contents are allowed. So we're going to make sure that's the case. And the next thing we're going to do is content restrictions here. We're going to take a look at this as well. And then here, right here, we have this screen recording where it says allowed. Again, you want to make sure this is allowed and it's not don't allow. If this is don't allowed, make sure it is allowed. If you're using screen setting, not a lot of people use screen restriction settings like this, but for some reason, if it was just where it says don't allow, make sure it is allowed. And you can always turn off the whole screen time completely, or you can go over here, turn it off if you don't want to use that. But if you have it on, and the other thing is you might need to enter a passcode if it was set up by someone else on this device. So that's going to be depending on your phone or your device that you have. Here we just turned it off, but you don't have to do it. You can keep it on. So that's important to check. The next thing you want to check in the settings, if it's still having an issue, is to make sure in the settings, go to general, software update, and see if there's a software update. Sometimes there could be a bug with a previous version and Apple released a new version. As you can see, 15.5 is the latest version. You can download and install it, see if there was a bug that was causing that screen to be black. So that's a good thing to do it. Again, software updates are always good to do. And now the last thing you want to do if you're still having issue, now this is kind of the last resort, and this, again, a little bit of warning before you do this, is going to delete all of your passwords and settings that you customize. So it'll things like Wi-Fi, your personal password that you save for different sites, all of that will be removed. It's going to be what's known as a reset of all settings. So you can go to settings, general, and then down here where it says transfer or reset iPhone, and click on that. Now this is on iOS 15, so you might have a slightly different menu, and you'll see here this option 1 where it says reset. If you click on that, it gives you a pop-up of different resets that you can do. The one that we're going to be doing is reset all settings here. As you can see, this one, again, this won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or anything like that, but it will delete all of your settings. Again, things like Wi-Fi password that you saved before, any connections to Bluetooth and other devices, even passwords for applications might be removed or just gone from your phone. So again, this is the last resort, but it could help you resolve the issue, and that's something Apple recommends as well. So you would click that. It usually takes generally pretty quick, about a minute or two, and then you'll be able to get back to the home screen. So hopefully one of these tips help you resolve that black screen that you get when you're doing screen recording on your iPhone. And if this video is helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.